In this episode, we're going to be installing and reviewing the Hima shower tent and 30 litre pressurized water tank, and we'll kick it off with what comes in the box. We'll start off with our shower tent and then we'll get into the installation. So we have the L brackets to mount your shower tent to the roof racks, 12 and 13mm spanner, your 2 backing plates for under the roof racks, all your mounting hardware, your 2 plastic end clips, an elastic shower hanger, a metal hose hook, 4 tent pegs that glow in the dark, and of course your Hima shower tent in a durable PVC bag. Start off by grabbing your 4 small bolts and sliding them into the rails at the rear of the shower tent. Once you've slid all 4 of those in, roughly line them up to where they're going to go onto your brackets on the roof. Makes it so much easier for the install. Grab your 4 nylock nuts and your 13mm spanner. As you can see on my roof, I have custom made L brackets to suit my roof racks to bring the shower tent out that little bit extra. Normally, if you're mounting the brackets that come in the kit, you would drill 2 holes through your roof rack, sit the L bracket on top, and you would have your backing plate underneath like so, that you would put over the bolts, then your washers, and then your nylock nuts. Grab your 2 end caps and clip them on. Then your shower install is complete and she's ready to go. Righto guys, now we got the shower tent all fitted up, we'll jump straight into installing this 30 litre pressurized water tank. Rightio, so what comes with the kit is your hose, your 4 backing plates for underneath your roof racks, you've got longer bolts for if your roof racks are longer, your washers, nylock nuts and shorter bolts. And you've got your Allen key, a 13mm ratchet spanner, a spanner that's to undo your lid to fill it and for your hose fittings, of course your nozzle, your ball valve, your female hose connector and your thread tape. Righto guys, so up on the roof, normally they would run long ways with your car, but because my rooftop tent is in the road, I'm actually going to be mounting the tank across ways. So it'll fit nicely in this little section here, and I'm just going to bolt it down onto the factory roof racks, and the width of the tank fits perfectly with the car. So firstly, we're just going to throw a bit of thread tape on this ball valve, getting it ready to be screwed into the end of the tank. So we'll head to the end of the tank that suits you best. The end that didn't have the cap in it suited my needs best for what way I was mounting the tank. The other end also does have a cap in the end of it, so you can put this ball valve in either end of your tank to suit your needs. Now grab your hose connection and screw that onto the other end of the ball valve. Now go ahead and grab your nozzle and your hose and just screw your nozzle nice and firmly onto the end of your hose, getting it ready to be clipped straight on once the tank is mounted. Now you should be ready to grab the tank and fit it up nicely onto your roof. So now grab your 13mm ratchet spanner, 2 backing plates and the bolts that suit your needs. Slide your bolts into the rails that are underneath the tank. Sit your tank nicely back down on your roof racks. Grab your other 2 bolts and slide them into the rails on the opposite side of your roof rack. Get your backing plates, hold them up, 2 washers and 2 nylock nuts on either plate. Then just go ahead and tighten them down firmly and then repeat the process on the other side. Go ahead and grab your hose you prepared earlier and clip it into your fitting. The tank comes with some Velcro and some clips mounted on the side that makes it super easy to hold your hose up nice and firmly. Rightio guys, so the install is complete. Grab your spanner to undo the fill up cap grab your hose and top your tank up. On top of your fill up cap is a relief valve, so we'll grab the compressor and put about 55 psi in the tank. As you're filling up the tank, once it gets to pressure, you should hear the relief valve start to release the air. Unhook your compressor, put your cap back on the air valve, and she's ready to go.
Righto guys, there you have it. The Hima shower tent and 30 litre pressurized tank. The ultimate setup for washing off your car, your fishing reels, yourself after a swim in the ocean, or even having a full-blown shower at night time. We definitely approve both products. Head over to vicoffroad.com.au and grab yours today.